Hey friends, Legion here, back with part 7 of the Republic Gunship. And this is getting me more excited each time we do this, because today we're going to be filling more of the front up here, the cockpit, or where the pilots will be, per se. And, you know, get more and more to it. Like to see how we're going, how it's going, and what all's being done here. You know, we're getting closer to that halfway mark. Just crazy, because I still feel like, you know, it's close to being done. We're not even halfway to being done. Do our bag number 7s. I'm gonna try not to lose these pieces behind here now. I'm about to back the camera up here soon. Open all these bad boys up. Again, no didgeridoos, unfortunately. That's alright. Like I said, can't always have didgeridoos. Where's there? I'm interested to see how high off, or how high this will be, exactly how big it will be. I'll skip this step. Oh, probably keep this so you guys can see. Don't know what this is going to be part of, but we will find out shortly. And the long one. Oh, I see. All right. Well, I'm just gonna tear this apart real quick, because I need to move it over one. So I could do that. And now we need to put our stickers on. So let me grab these stickers here. We need to put number 15 on, which is this one. And put him like so. Okay, so we're making the little side panels that will go roughly about here, and then roughly about here. And then the cockpits will sit, or the control rooms will sit right on top of that. And this one will actually, let me rotate him. We'll go right above. Okay, so just like that, I see. And it will attach to look just like that right here. And I'll probably need to still be on that side, but since I already moved them, I'll keep them for now. And just continue with what I'm doing. opposite way. That's the same way. There we go. Snap him underneath. Now, need you. Small one facing this way. White piece. And then one of you. And there we'll go. He'll fit in, nope, like that. Like that. Put him on the end. And then to fill that looking like this. Then we'll take another one. Make sure it's going the right way. Put him like that. Nope, that is the wrong piece. I'll do this one. Now we're on the right track. Now we can proceed to step 287. We're like maybe a quarter of the way through this instruction book so far, which is crazy. We're not even halfway there yet, and I feel like, you know, we're getting close to, somewhat close to the end, but no. We are not. I mean, we are, but we're not. You know what I mean? Still need one more. There we go. Keep him. Whoop, wrong one. Keep him like so and so. Set him down for a moment. I'll put these together real quick. That sound will never get old. Such a good sound. And now this will go. So it's like this. And we need two white, kind of wing looking. Make sure they're going the way we need them. Oh, there, nope. Need you, you, and you. And put like so and so. This one will fit in here. And that will go right next up top. So we're looking like that. Now I need gray on the angle to the left. Put him underneath. And then we'll kind of finish the top part with one, I need a threer, and one of you. And there we go. Finish the top part of, well, I thought maybe we'd finish the top part of that. Not quite done. Need two of you. And it will go like so and so. So it's going to look like that on the bottom, that on the top. Need a 3. Here's a 3, and then a gray with the angle on the left. We'll put him on the end. Then put you there, and then the smaller on top. Now we'll flip them over and kind of connect some of these down here. So we need 1, 2 of these, 3 L pieces, and last but not least 1, 4. We'll put an L on here, connecting those 3. Next we'll put another one on the next seam, followed by square piece. Last one will go here, followed by U and U. There we go. And then this one up top. So we're looking like that. Next we'll need 1 of you and you. And we'll butt this one up right next to what we just did. And this one will go to right next to that and then flush with the top. That way it's all sturdy, not so flimsy. Make sure I didn't miss a page. Next we'll get our thicker blocks out. Need 1 of them, 3 of these. 1 and 1. And the big dog will go down here. Next we got that one with a 3. Then you will go like so. Use the 2 as a space. And you, and that connects all those pieces we just put on together. And then we'll kind of cap them off with some more tan pieces. And that will go here. There. There. And this one right next. So we look like that. I'll set him down so I can do this. We'll need you and you. And 3 of these yellow. Need another single. And then 2 more. Okay. Now we'll put and then we'll do a yellow, and then we'll just alternate all the way down. And then we got an open one, open stud there, and we'll put our single guy on. And then put him, I think right here. yes, that's what it's looking like. Put him right there and we'll snap him into place so it looks like that. Move on to step 300. Finally broke 300. Now we are moving for sure. Make sure I get all my pieces here. Trying to. And you. So 5 pieces for this step. Flip him over. This will go. And this one will go right. Let's try to slide them up like that. And this will go right there, splitting this seam like that. And then we're gonna put our sticker on. We need to put our number 12, which is cool. I like this logo, this sticker. Try to put him on here center as I can. Make sure it's all down. And yes, I do need to rotate this over. Make it easier for me to attach it, and then I can rotate so you guys can see. Put it with our logo or the Imperial sticker up. And it's going to attach to all these right here, it looks like. So we do a little like that. Make sure it's kind of all down. Where else is it attaching? Oh, right there. So it's going to attach right here a little, here, 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 and up here, which is awesome. So a lot of points to connect to. Now that it's all on, I will rotate over. Oh, whoa. I didn't want that to come off. There. And now it looks like that. So cool. And actually, I guess it's not time to rotate over yet, because this will go fill in this void. Now I need you. Not you yet. I don't know why that piece is in here. I thought that's a miss. Why can what? Oh, okay, there he is. Phew. And a 3 of the gray, smooth, not 4. Do it right here. Let me slide him over here. Can't see the instructions. Flip this upside down. Oops. Put this on the end. flip him over and put him right over top of the yellow. Now I can do this without breaking anything in here. I'll hold him up. So we just put this piece right here. Now we'll fill in that hole with our smooth and lock that into place just like that. Now put them back this way. In case we need to do some more on this side, I'm not sure that we do and we don't, so I'll flip them back over. Make it easy for me. Now we'll do exactly what we did there, but for my side. Start with the 3 and the block of 3. There's a little guy underneath. It's the step I almost missed last time. Put our angle like that. Now we need another to go up here. Put him not all the way over. That with the gray, the darker gray on the bottom. I need a 4 and a 4. This will go here. Bigger one next to it. Now we need to put our sticker on, which is number 13. Maybe, there we go. Try to get this even again. Feel like it's got a mind of its own sometimes. Put him on, and now we can go ahead and attach, which is going to go right here. Just like so. Looking cool. I mean, I can't wait for this to be done. I mean, I can, because I don't want it to end, but you know what I mean? You guys feel me? Each piece we put on just looks more and more like it, and I'm excited. Beyond excited. Now we can use all these pieces here. Now every piece we need should be going the right way. We won't have to worry about, you know, until it comes down to these guys, then, you know, we'll have to figure out which ones, but we don't need them quite yet. So all the other pieces will be the way we need them to, because we're doing the second side. First side's a little more difficult because you gotta make sure you got the right pieces going the right way, you know. Where this side, this is where we went through the hard part. This is the easy part. one of you, and the last one of these, I believe. So go here. And this goes next to it, I believe. Yes. Set him down again, or for a moment, I mean, so I can worry about this part. And that will go flush with the top, like so. And 3 and 2 of the white. Put him on, followed by him, so that's all smooth. Put you there and you. Need the last gray to go right underneath that, and we'll butt it up like that so there's no white showing on the bottom. One, need the 3, and that for this step, step 326. Like so. Get our 2 gray here, and we're pretty much going to cap off all the white here again on the bottom, so that on top it looks like this. One, the last 3 smooth, and then another one of you. Perfect. Okay, now we can flip them over, just to make sure that's all down again. Here's where we start putting our tan pieces on. 1, 2 of you, 1 of you, and then 3 L's. That's an L. There you are. We'll put them right over, try to show you guys a little bit better, right over these 3, like so. Like so, and like so. And then this will go here. This one will go here to cap those off, and this one goes up top. And again, this one will butt up to these guys, those guys that we just put on. Not all down, just okay. And then this one will slide up. Actually, no, we'll put it right over that tan top piece, right next to the big long one we just put on. And now we can put our big blocks on. Get them all set out here. And these are all the pieces we got left. This one, big dog, goes towards the bottom. Our square next with our 3. And it's going to go 3, 2, 3. Finish this with capping off with tan, pan. And then we'll need these two to go here and there. Oh yeah, gotta make our, I don't know, lights, I guess. Possibly windows, like a skylight or something. Not 100% sure. But I do believe we need 3 of these and 3 of these. Then we will alternate again. Cap it off with a single stud. And put him right next to the long tan piece again. Now that he's all on, we'll flip over. Because then we have to put our sticker on once we attach all these pieces here. And this will go right there. This goes right, splitting that seam. And these go down here. Now we'll put our other sticker on right there. It's close enough, at least circle close enough to be centered. Now I can go ahead and attach, flip them up so that the sticker portion is facing up. And we'll go ahead and attach there it goes, started it. Get that on. I don't know why you don't want to go. Why don't you want to go? Okay, there it goes. Okay, make sure I'm not breaking off other pieces, but I want all this to be connected. Like so. Now we can take our yellow piece, fit him in right here, snap him on. So we need to make 2 of these. And we'll put one on top, one on bottom. Same on this one. Oh, okay, I see. These will go here. Forgot these rotate. And now we can put that guy in there. Okay, these are where these pieces come in. then one of you, right? Yep, okay. So this will go in the corner with this here. Followed by you up top. Okay. This one will go on this side. I see, I see. Snap them up there too. Same thing here. Put them in the corner. We'll go ahead and attach like that. I don't know why that didn't get that. Okay, so that looks like that will be it for step 7. I'm still confused as to why this is open. Like, took it too high. Like, see how we did that? Now, when I rotate him, we didn't do it here. Now, I don't know if that's for the cockpit once we put the shields on, the window rather. If then we put that on, like if we got to connect here or something, not entirely sure, but we will find out in part 8, which will be coming soon. You know, got our little stud, single stud guy left over. Didn't need them. And yeah, that'll do it for part 7. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know, you do you, I do me. And stay tuned for part 8 and other videos coming to you soon. Peace.